Okay, so here is the best way on how to disable facial verification in Binance. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So it's very easy and simple on how you can disable facial verification. What you need to do is just simply head over to the app. And right over here, what you have to do is just simply press on these three horizontal lines on the corner. Once you press on them, it will bring you to this your account section area, and right over here you just gotta go ahead and press on your account's arrow which says your account, and you just gotta go ahead and press on that. And right over here you'll see three options, but you just need to go ahead and press on the option of security. And right over here, what you need to do in order to disable Face ID, you have to use your email verification. So I've already enabled my email verification and it's verified here. As you can see, it has a green tick next to it. So if you want to disable facial verification, you just gotta go ahead and make sure you've connected your email as your two-factor authentication. Once this is done, your facial verification will disable automatically and you're done after that. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you